Hey friends, quick update with some new data to share on how our weather event, Arctic blast and ice threat is going to unfold this weekend. First, a glimpse of the Arctic air now moving south of Canada and into the northern U.S. This is going to spend the next 24 to 36 hours, making its way to Texas. And as it does so, there's going to be a lot of rain moving in overhead. So here's what that means. First, starting off Friday morning into the afternoon, that widespread rain transitioning as temperatures fall below freezing in the Panhandle to some ice, some sleet, and some snow. What does this mean for us here at home? Well, let's start first with Friday night heading into Saturday morning. Getting indications that we could have some locally heavy, cold, but above freezing rain coming through. Could be a bit problematic for the pre-treatment that TxDOT is doing on the roadways. If this rain is heavy, may wash some of that out of the streets before temperatures fall to or below freezing and this rain starts transitioning to ice. We see that happening as early as late morning on Saturday. Predominantly, though, this is going to be an early to mid-afternoon transition as temperatures fall right to a freeze to eventually some freezing rain. That's all this pink you see. I don't see it being sleet. I see it being freezing rain from start to finish in this event, which is not great news. The heaviest of this moving in by Saturday evening heading into the overnight hours could be heavy at times, could quickly accumulate on every elevated surface, bridges, overpasses, tree limbs, every single leaf on every single tree. Before finally we remove our precipitation, we're still bitterly cold on Sunday morning, but we're putting this winter weather event behind us. So what are the implications here? First, day by day, Saturday morning starts off as just a cold rain. Saturday afternoon, that's the transition beginning to freezing rain, and very quickly we'll start to see roadway impacts. It's really not until Saturday night to Sunday morning, though, that the most of that accumulation happens. We're not just talking about roadway issues, but with a potential accumulation of up to a ½ inch, especially towards the northwest of Austin. We're not just talking about roadway issues, but the chance, at least on an isolated to scattered basis, that there could be a few power outages in addition to the hazardous roadway. In no way, shape, or form is this going to be to the same crippling degree of the ice storm we saw back in January to February of 2023. But this is still an impactful ice event, one that you'll want to continue to pay attention to. As we continue to fine-tune the data, we'll have updates on all of those updates as they happen, on air, online, every single hour of the day at this point heading through the weekend. Stay tuned.